Good day, sir and ma'am. I am Elena Nesperos, 41 years old. I live in Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. I am single and no children. I am a college graduate of Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. I worked 14 years as a domestic helper in Singapore and in Hong Kong. I work with Singaporean family with 4 members of 3 adults and 6 years old son. They stayed at a 3-story house with 3-story garden with 4 bedrooms and 3 toilets. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, tidying, organizing, marketing, cooking, laundry, ironing, car washing of 2 cars, gardening, taking care of the 6 years old son, playing and tutoring him, read books with him, walk at the park, and play at the playground. I also feed the dog and feed the fishes at the fish pond. I also work with a Chinese family in Hong Kong with 4 members of 2 adults and 2 children, ages 6 years old son and a 4 years old daughter. They stayed at a flat with a measurement of 1,500 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 toilets. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, organizing, and tidying, marketing, cooking, laundry, and ironing, taking care of the 2 children, playing and tutoring them, read books with them, walk at the park, play at the playground, and I also watering some indoor plants, feed the fishes at the aquarium, and once a week wash the aquarium. I am a responsible and trustworthy, flexible, adaptable, and hardworking. I like working with children. I perform childcare responsibilities according to family rules. I can cook following cookbooks and recipes. I like dogs and cats. I also like plants and flowers. Thank you, sir and madam. Have a great day.